Hello my friends, how are you guys? Welcome guys, today new video. See guys, crown predictor guys. See guys, our official hack crown predictor hack guys. See guys, beautiful intro, and this is our official one expert website. Same time guys on both sides. And also there you can see I select the one expert mode guys, and then I have to connect with our AI servers guys. Okay my friend, let's predict our first prediction my friends. Oh my friends, pick number 21.16x guys. This is not a joke guys. Just look my friend, just look. Okay my friend, this is our support channel guys. Download hack file from this channel, and this is a me crown underscore predictor my friend. Crown underscore predictor, and this is our official Telegram channel guys, crown predictor, and this is a crown predictor hack guys. Oh my official Telegram, see also mentioned on the hack. You'll see guys prediction, same guys. Let's predict next coefficient guys. Go 151x guys. This is a good number, not a bad number guys. Amazing guys, amazing my friends, amazing. Oh guys, low coefficient, but don't worry, just be patient and wait guys. Don't play much time guys. Play it 16 to 30 minutes and make money around $100 and stop guys and wait for next day, then you will make money guys. Just this hack, you can buy this hack key from me guys, and you can enjoy your life guys with crown predictor guys, and you will be enjoy your lives like a king my friends. See everything guys, official Telegram channel, official links, official date, official time, and best working hack tool in the market guys. Boom guys. One more last time guys, I show you 1.37x guys, 1.37x. Just write me on my official Telegram crown underscore predictor guys. Just write me here guys.